Would you look at that? Would you just look at that?
Oh, would you look at this?
Yeah, well...
Would you look at that?
Yeah.
Here we have our PRObuilt Air Ride Kit for a 69 and later Beetle or Ghia. Comes with everything you see here. 4-inch narrowed PRObuilt beam. Can be stock width, it could be 2-inch, can be 3-inch, can be whatever, depending on the application, and wheels and brake combination to fit the application. So this beam is complete. So spindle to spindle, PRObuilt steering box, drop spindles, air ride kit installed on our ultimate beam platform. Every beam that we build comes with the adjusters in it, so that in any event you want to go to torsion static, you can. Everything is included. Beam bolts, body pads, everything including our new inspection plates, serial numbered and everything. German tie rod ends, German ball joints, 2.5-inch drop spindles, PRObuilt arms, steering dampener, once again German tie rod ends. The rear air ride kit complete. So this is a weld-on kit. So it's going to come with your bags, brackets, shocks, bump stops. These are your crossbars. So this bar here telescopes in these, kind of make it easy so you don't have to, you can do some notching to fit your application. Those are the lower plates. Airline, tank, 4 valves, which are manual with a Goodyear 280. Pressure switch, relay, all the lines and fittings, including instructions. So basically you can put this entire setup on a 69, I'll put the years here, 69 to 79 Beetle Ghia. Could be done on a thing, but you would have to do some modifications for these towers on a thing. But it is built to order. All the information, links to each piece, if you want to just do the beam, you just want to do the air ride, rear air ride kit, or the air management, will all be down in the description below, or you can check up right up here and you can click that and that'll take you to this particular kit, and we'd love to build something for you. If you have any questions, once again, comment down below. Can we improve? Maybe. Did we do a good job? Thumbs up, let us know. Subscribe if you're not already. And we hope we're blessed enough to build one of these for you.